Hello, today we're going through how to use adjustable dumbbells. This is the ones that we have on site. Pretty straightforward. They range from 2.5 kilos all the way to 24 kilos. And that's all you got to do. So let's say I want 5 kilos, you rotate it to get to, let's say, 5.5 kilos. Make sure it matches on this side, and when you pull it, it should stay locked in and it shouldn't fall out, okay? If you rotate it and it's got a lot of resistance, it means something's wrong. If that happens, you need to reset the weight. So the way you reset the weight is, let's say I've pulled it out, there's a plate here, and then suddenly the plate has, let's say, fallen out. If you need to reset it, what you do is you put the plate back into the thing so it's nice and clean. You hold this button down on the bottom, and that is the lock. That lets you actually rotate the mechanism and bring it back to neutral. So we bring it back to 2.5 where it has no weight. Then you can slide it back in cleanly and it should rotate again. Usually if you're worried it's gonna fall out, when you pick up the weight, pick it up, give it a shake first, because if anything's loose, it would fall out, okay? That's pretty much it. Don't let it fall on people. Good luck.